I can just say Nishiki Kimura. I'm going to actually go back here on the grass. It's going to be easier for me to...
Okay, you want me to move this for you? Hey guys, we are getting close. Getting a few more people in. We are socially distanced. I'm going to do a live demo of several items that we have in the stores tonight. And then a little mini finale for everyone. Hang tight, it'll be just a few minutes.
You guys, we need to stay at least this far back, if not a little bit more.
Ain't nobody telling me where to go nowhere.
It's Pharaoh number 8 cone.
Are we going to start with the Pharaoh cone? You lighting one or two? The first one here is a Pharaoh cone.
Hey, a little fountain. Really nice, inexpensive item.
Very vivid silver.
Bright. All right. We've got Jody doing the firing on his Cobra firing system this evening. What's the first item?
First shell we have is one of our Neon Fusion shells.
Neon Fusion. It's from Red Apple Fireworks. I'd say that pops pretty good.
The next one is Nishiki Kimura.
Nishiki Kimura shell. The big willow is what we're looking for here. And we got it.
Yes.
Gorgeous.
Next one is a Wildcat cartridge.
Hello. Melt my iPhone.
Yes, then we have a Red Apple barrel bomb.
Red Apple barrel bombs.
Fixing to bomb you out of existence right here.
Yep, great prices on these. Something like $57 for a whole 24 pack. Or a case for $140, I think. Good loud pop to it.
And now this last one is a tannerite.
Ah, this is a
shell.
Shell that people are wanting us to pick up. So we're demoing this together to see if it's worthy. I'd say the crowd liked the tannerite.
Yes.
All right, now he's walking over to the Cobra system. See if we can get this thing moving.
The first cake that we're going to shoot is a Brothers Silver Screen cake.
Brothers cake?
Oh, what was that? Huh?
It's Silver Screen.
Oh, okay.
This is Silver Screen by Brothers.
Second cake. Asher?
What?
Second cake.
Second cake is our 4th of July cake.
Happy 4th of July.
That's a nice value cake right there too.
Oh, wow. There. Okay, keep going.
Yeah, it's a really good deal. That's around a $30 cake, so for 500 grams, fantastic. Let's take a quick look here at what we're lighting this off of. This is Jody's Cobra system. All right.
All right. Number three.
Okay, we're coming up now with Angry Panda from Wenda.
Beautiful.
Love those gold trails. That's pretty.
Very nice.
Okay, this one right here, the next one is a red apple cake called Solaris.
Solara should be a hard-hitting cake.
That's nice.
Woo!
That's very
That
nice.
was loud. Fantastic.
Now
I
we
like
go to
it.
another Brothers cake. Good mixed effect cake here called Shotgun Wedding.
Shotgun wedding. Wow.
There you go.
Very
Another
nice.
Brothers cake called Sweet Spot.
Sweet spot. Ooh, pretty lace.
Look at those vivid colors. That got me. Whoa!
Great finale on that
me in
one.
the sweet spot. How about you, Van?
That's first time I've seen that cake live. It is fantastic.
This is a real tree fireworks.
That's right, Scott.
offering
Brothers
that
is
we have.
always solid.
Oh, this is a real tree fireworks offering that we have called Pheasants in Flight, and it's a great mine cake.
All right, something from Spirits of 76. Oh, hello.
There we go.
Very nice, pretty cake. Had to get over there, we were angled wrong.
This is a good 4th of July cake, red, white, and blue cake from Sky Bacon called Sky Patriot.
Sky Patriot. Wow. That is
There we
outstanding.
go. There we go. Next cake up is a Brothers cake called Wind Up.
Wind up.
That's a nice little long
Great
duration
long-lasting
right
cake.
there,
Yeah, very
And
nice.
this is the jellyfish jamboree. Is that which one we're?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is a great 9-shot cake called jellyfish jamboree.
This should be gorgeous. How about that?
Those are jellyfish tendrils coming out. There we go.
Very nice.
That's pretty. All right, let me see here. Our next up is a red apple offering. I love this cake. It's called Sunflower Bomb.
Sunflower bomb.
Yeah, I know, right? Shouldn't be getting better at this.
Look at those tails.
Gorgeous.
Oh, wow. Now that's pretty.
iPhones don't do this thing justice, by the way.
And I guess that's the name of the red apple cake, Mad Bomber?
Mad Bomber, yes.
Mad Bomber.
Yep, Mad Bomber.
Yeah, this is going to make you mad.
Oh man, that was a great ending pace to that
I
one.
could call that one lunatic. Good Brothers offering here called Firefly.
That's right around the corner.
Look at that lace. Red to gold. See how the lace turns red to gold? Wow.
Wow.
look
Yeah,
at that.
once again, hard to get it all on the camera here. Maybe I should be further away.
We'll back up a little bit.
I might.
Yeah, and this is a long time standard zipper cake called Absolute Pyro. I've used
Absolute
this
pyro.
several times in my shows. You're gonna love it.
Too close.
And walk this way.
Woo, man, that hit hard.
Yeah, I'm gonna kind of back up here a little bit.
Next time we need to be in front of them.
Because this one we called, this next one is another one of our red apple offerings called Sizzled.
Sizzle?
Sizzled?
It's sizzled.
Is that what you?
Yep, sizzled.
Very nice. Hard hitting.
Here's 16.
This next cake is one of my all-time favorite cakes from Sky King. called Backyard King, and you are going to love it.
Backyard King.
Yes.
Wow.
How's that?
Very nice. Very nice.
Number 17 coming up is a red apple
You guys back up anymore. I'm moving.
Product.
valley set called Iron Tigers.
Iron Tiger.
Iron Tiger.
Love those go-getters.
Had a little bit of everything in that one.
All right.
Chasers,
A lot going on.
fish.
What do you got for 18?
No, how about a few diamonds?
Few diamonds. All right, man. I think you ought to back up over here to the bicycle to get the video on this one.
All right. Bear with me while the camera jerks a little bit. There we go.
All right, we're gonna let the smoke clear for a second, man. We're gonna go up here and then we're gonna do the little finale.
Okay. So everything you just saw is available for sale at Super Show Fireworks, 4 locations: Birmingham, Trussville in Alabama, if I can speak properly, Marietta, our new large super center, and Hiram. So online at ssfireworks.com or redapplefireworks.com. Hope you'll come see us. And now we're going to do a little finale for everyone. Had to back up a little bit for this.
All right, Asher, you ready?
Not quite yet.
Let's wait till Asher gets settled.
I just want to say that you guys know how Doug at Red Apple loves a big,
He likes to
Finale?
melt your face.
yes, melt your face.
I think that might be about to happen.
So we're going to show a combination of some melt your face and the way Super Show Fireworks of Marietta likes to do it.
Here we go.
Go slow and I'll pick it up.
that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you melt your face in Georgia. Thank you for watching. Come see us in store. 12 to 8, 7 days a week until we extend in mid-June.
31 Whitlock Avenue in Marietta, Georgia.
Good night.